Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to change audio on Instagram Reels after posting. To start, open and locate your Instagram. If you have not made a reel yet, make one. In this example, I already did, and this is my first reel on my Instagram. Now to start, go to Make a Reel options in Instagram. Now tap on the reel that you already made. In this example, I'll be using again the kiddie images that I already used previously. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to click on it. In this case, you can also add any other additionals that you want to add in your reel. Once done, I'm going to click on the music icon. With the music icon, I'm going to search what music I want to add in there. Tap on the music that you have chosen. Once done, click on the part of the audio that you want to be part in your reel. Tap on next, and it should already be added. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.